The secret to a very good commercial lies in good prompting. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest and the secret to writing a very good and wonderful prompting within a space in a short time, right? Then what we are going to need in this is our ChatGPT and our access to Google Gemini, Veo 3 or any AI platform that can give us access to do text to video generations, right? Then the essence of this our ChatGPT is this: we are going to write a very good prompt for whatever commercial I want to make, right? Even if I want to do something like a testimonial, a UGC ad, an unboxing, or any type of commercial whatsoever I want to do, then I'm going to tell ChatGPT to help you write a very good commercial for this particular UGC ad, for this particular product, and you want this angle to be like this, you want the background to be like this, you want the background music to be like this, you want do you really need a text overlay or any type of thing, whatever you want to add in that particular commercial should basically be in your prompt. The camera angles, the directions, and the background, the color of the background, and the environment, how serene the environment will be, is going to be your prompt, right? Then most times, but if you're not really good with prompting, you're going to find out that you're going to tell ChatGPT to help you write a very good prompt for this particular commercial, and you may not really include this relevant detail that you tell ChatGPT that you want the camera angles to be like this, or a close shot or a long shot, right? Then this is where JSON prompting comes in. JSON prompting is the only prompting that will now give you the edge to include most of these relevant details in your prompting. Then I have actually propounded some prompt asking templates. The essence of this prompt asking template is basically like a way of you telling ChatGPT that this is what I want in this my particular prompt. This is how I want it to be in this particular product and what I'm creating commercials for. Then if you look at my screen over here, this is Microsoft Word. This is JSON Google Veo 3 prompt, right? Then in this bar, we are going to copy this one now, for instance, this particular template, then replace it with the name, replace this place they wrote brand name, product name, then keyword, replace it with your brand name, then product name and the relevant keywords. Copy it like this and give it to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will now use this particular guide and give you an exclusive prompt for your video generations. This one is basically unboxing. I have the one of UGC, testimonials, and different niches I have in text, in real estate, in medicine, and every aspect of commercials, whatever you are doing, in every product, in maybe in kitchen utensils, in food, and every niche, whatever you want. So this is basically number 1, this is 2, and this is 3, this is 4, right? This is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, right? So you're going to copy this particular one now from the beginning of that particular prompt templates to the end, and give it to ChatGPT to replace the relevant places, right? This 9 now is modern day action trailer. Then please make a full structured JSON master ad prompt for my product, and include your product here. Then this is the description: a nighttime in a new light city, ran sleek streets, reflects holographic ads, a black briefcase, handcuffed to an agent. This depends on the type of ads you are creating, right? If you are creating for maybe a car commercials, and maybe whatever car you are creating, whatever thing you are creating, depends on which type of ad you are going to use. For this one now is, look at the descriptions here now. Suites area short glides over. Description of the ad is this, right? Then this other one is this is where you are ready to use this where you can just type in your product name and the prompt will auto suggest, right? Then this is it here. Then this is, please make a full structure JSON master ad prompt for my product. This is product name. Then content: you are a world-class creative and director and copywriter specializing in high converting cinematic script. Your task is to generate a detailed creative concept for an ad campaign, right? Then the role: user, I want to create a cinematic ad for the product. Then please suggest the best matching details for each of these fields based on the product and target audience. Then this is a short description of the theme It's going to include it in the prompt, a short description of the creative style and mood that best matches this. Then this is the product. You have what? Futuristic luxury, minimalistic urban adventure, and cozy lifestyle. This is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. This is what the camera moves. You get, and this is the primary product part and every of those things, right? If you want to use this or any one you want to use, but I'm going to copy it from here. Understand? Depending on if you want to do unboxing, UGC, or any type, you can basically look at the content very well and see what he's talking about before you now copy it. I'm going to copy this particular one, for instance. You see how I copied it? I will now copy over here. Understand? And go to my chat GPT, right? Once I go to my chat GPT, I'm now going to paste this particular prompt over here, right? Then in this place bar, please make a full structured JSON master add prompt for my product's name. Then product's name, you are going to include that to your product here, right? Then this is Nivea. Let's say you are going to do a commercial for Nivea body spray, right? This is Nivea body spray. Then just all you need just to include it here. You replace this with your product name. Then that's all. Understand? You can now basically send go like this. You can see it has generated our prompt for us. So this is it. This is row 1. You are a world-class creative art director and copywriter specializing in high converting cinematic scripts. Your task is to generate a detailed creative concept for an ad. Then I want to create a creative cinematic ad for the product Nivea body spray, right? Then you can see the team now, fresh confidence. You can see it already knows that this is a type of background I'm going to give this particular one. Now this is what? Fresh confidence, clean and modern, an uplifting lifestyle mood that emphasizes freshness, because body spray is freshness, right? So from this template I understood that this is the type of thing I need as a creative director, right? Then that emphasizes freshness, skincare, and everyday confidence. This is scenes. This is scene 1. What will happen in scene 2? Scene 1. Morning light falls a modern bathroom as a confident young adult reaches for Nivea body spray after a shower. Water drops still on the skin. Then scene 2. Then 2 is what? Smooth slow motion spray application as a soft mist wraps the body, transitioning into the person stepping out confident into an active day. Then scene 3. Closing hero shot of the Nivea body spray standing on a clean white surface with glowing light and the subject smiling confidently in the background. This is basically what you are going to see in these particular commercials within a space of 8 seconds, right? Duration of 8 seconds. And this is the camera moves. Then this is the primary products part. This is the soft white towels and clean bathroom element and blah 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 blah. Then this is bright visual styles. Then suggestive keyword, that is keyword associated to this particular one, is going to be Nivea body spray, long lasting freshness, skin friendly deodorant, daily confidence, body care essentials, fresh scent, and this. Then I'm going to include that the duration should basically be 8 seconds, because maximum duration for VO3 is basically 8 seconds. So all of our ads should basically be in the confinement of 8 seconds. So you don't just write maybe a 10-second script for us, which should basically be cut within 8 seconds. So it doesn't really make sense. We have to make everything fit inside the 8 seconds. You get? So if you have read through all of these things, make sure you have read through these things and this is actually what you want, because each time you generate a video is going to cut you some credits. So it's not really good if you are wasting your credit testing ads. So the best way to minimize your wasting ads is you trying to, you are going to read through these things, through all of these things, and find out if this is a place this is what you want and this is what you don't want. Maybe your clients might ask you, this is the type of ad I want you to create for me. You can see this particular one is a UGC ad because it uses human face, right, from the scripts here. Understand? If it is unboxing the person wants you to do, you copy unboxing template from the one I have in the template. If it's testimonials, you copy it. If it's whatever, to just copy it from the place it is, so your client knows what they want. unless they want you to choose the best one for them basically. Then I'm going to copy, because this is basically a tutorial. I don't want this to be all that elaborate because of time frame. I'm now going to copy it from here, then go back to my Google Gemini or any AI platform that is can help me arrange these videos. Now I'm going to click on create videos and paste it over here, right? So this is now processing, but then I can basically go wait for like this is I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes, so check back to see when your video is ready. Then this can take 1 to 2 minutes, right? So if okay it's all right. So this is basically our this thing. Okay, look, this is scene 1. Scene 1 is 0 seconds to 2 seconds. Then morning light floats a modern bathroom as a confident young adult reaches for navy body spray after a shower. Then you understand that this, you can basically add maybe young adult woman or young white woman or a young black woman or whatever thing you want, just add it in this place. Understand? Because in this case, this particular AI is going to use any young person, right? Young adult, whether male or female. But if you want to need a specific gender, a specific color, and you want how you want the bathroom to be, you can basically include it in your scenes, in your prompt. Then this is scene 2, ultra slow motion spray burst as fine mist wraps the body, transitioning into the person stepping forward with confidence, right? Then this is what will happen from 2 seconds to 6 seconds, right? Then scene 3 is final hero shot of the navy. Then after all of this, it's going to be a final hero shot. We're going to shoot the shots, the camera angles. I'm going to be focused on the navy body spray on a clean white background with soft blue glow and logo clearly visible, right? So this is what this ChatGPT gave us. If I don't want it to be like this, I can basically rewrite it or tell it how I want it to be, right? Then I'm going to look at the camera moves, the primary product parts, the supporting visual props, the visual styles and keywords, and all of you can see this is our commercial. Our video is basically ready, right? You can see it over here. Look at it here. You can see, look at our commercial. Let me play the sounds, right? You can see it over here. Understand?